Hi guys, so I have finally taken down my 10 weeks old protective hairstyle. If you're watching this, it means I've already posted a video where I showed you guys my takedown, and it's been 10 weeks, 10 amazing weeks, which I really enjoyed. And now it's time for me to detangle my hair. I am going to be using my flaxseed and aloe vera butter that I made. This is the consistency of the butter. This butter has a lot of hydration. I didn't use water at all. I only used my flaxseed gel and my aloe vera gel to make this butter. If you want the recipe, let me know in the comment section so I can post the video for you guys. So now it's time for me to properly detangle my hair. Like I said, I left my hair in a protective hairstyle for 10 weeks, where I've been using a lot of Ayurveda to treat my hair to see how much growth I'll be able to get, which I got a lot of growth. And at the same time, my mission was to protect my ends, because if I want to retain length, the best thing to do is to be able to protect my ends, which I was able to do that by twisting my ends and then tucking it in throughout the entire 10 weeks. I did not allow my hair to just, fly around. I had to protect it at all costs. Yeah, so now I am detangling my hair. Like I said, this is my flaxseed and aloe vera butter. I'm going to be applying generous amount to this. By the way, I've posted most of the recipes I've used. All the recipes, actually, all the sprays I've been using to grow my hair. I've posted everything on my page, so feel free to check them out. Now I'm going to apply generous amounts. What I'm going to do is I'm going to apply generous amounts to each section. As you guys can see, my hair is in sections, so I'm going to apply to all sections, allow it to soak in on the moisture before I come back to properly detangle my hair, if that makes sense. I actually have more of this butter. If this is not enough, I still have more. So this is just me showing you guys the one I'll be using first. So I'm going to take the next one and do the same. Yeah. Oh yeah. This is actually twisted, so I'm going to unravel it. I was using it to look at my growth, so I think it's time I just unravel it and just do what I need to do. If there's anything I noticed, I would say this protective style, I did the mini braids. Yeah, I did the mini braids. It's actually the best for me. I've done mini braids, I've done mini twist, I've done cornrow for my hair growth journey, and I must say this is actually my best. I actually prefer this to cornrow and the twist, because for the twist, the more you wash your hair, the more your hair tangles. So, but for this, for some reason, my hair was still in place. I feel like mini braids actually work better. Mini braids is actually better than cornrow and twist. Depends on you anyway. Or yeah, I think I'm just going to keep quiet and allow you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Let me not bore you guys with too much talk. So enjoy the rest of the for some reason, this is one detangling comb I really do not know how to use, so I might skip this, I might attempt it, I might skip it for this two, yeah. And I am done detangling my hair. So this is what my hair is looking like right now. Now I'm just going to go wash my hair, deep condition my hair, and blow dry my hair. Yes, then put it in another protective hairstyle because it's December. I'm not about to leave my hair for this cold weather. So this is what came out during this detangling process. This is what came out, and this was what came out during the takedown. That's all. That's all that came out. Let me know in the comment section if you think this is too much. This is too much hair loss for 10 weeks old takedown. For 10 weeks old protective hairstyle, let me know in the comment section if you think this is too much. So like I said, this was during the takedown and this is during the detangling process. And now it's time to go wash this girl and pamper her and do all I need to do. So I will see you after I am done or in the next video. I'm not sure, or I will see you soon.